How to change TikTok country region. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change region in TikTok. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So first steps first, open up your TikTok. After you open up your TikTok, head over to your profile on the bottom right. After you do that, tap on the three lines on the top right corner. Then select Settings and Privacy. After you select Settings and Privacy, you will see your Account section. Under Account section, tap on Account. After you do that, select Account Information. Now right there, you'll find Account Region. All you have to do is select that. And after you do that, you will then need to choose the country or region that you want to change into. Now there is a small catch to this, which will get shown right here. So let me just now select any one of these. And there we go. So there you will need to at least have spent 60 days in that very country or region to be able to update your region in TikTok. So yeah, that's the catch here. So if you're just moving to another country or some other place, you will need to wait till 60 days to be able to change your country region. And yeah, but that's all you need to do to change it as well. Thanks for watching guys. That is how you do it. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.